Hey everyone, Amy Torres here, Director of Marketing Inc. And I am going to put in the post on YouTube how to connect people to your Facebook business pages. It is vital. Don't be the only admin of your Facebook business page in case it gets hacked. Your business should have at least 2 or 3 people that are trusted that you can connect to your business page. So once you've logged into the main page on your Facebook account, click on Pages, and then obviously click the page that you manage, but in this example, we'll do Director of Marketing Inc. Once you've switched over to Director of Marketing Inc., I want you to go ahead and hit switch. You want to go into management mode on your own business page. Once that loads, you're going to go down to Settings. Click on Settings. Your settings will load. And then Page Setup. Page Setup on the left here is where you find page access, and this is how you can add additional admins, or if you're working with a marketing company, you can add a new one. Here, right in the middle, just add new, and then type in the person. It's going to give you some information here. It's explaining what access is, but type in the person you're looking for to give access, select that person, and then this tells you everything that they can have. And I do recommend giving a trusted friend, advisor, family member full control of your page in case you ever get hacked. Have this as a backup. Then hit Give Access, and then you are good to go. I'm sure Bo is going to be disappointed that I add her to the business page, but you can see I already have Erin added here as well. And she can manage the whole page also. Also, as a business owner, hate to be negative, but if you get hit by a bus, people need access to your business page. I actually had a real life incident where the spouse of the owner had passed and they were the one running Facebook and could not get access back to their page. This is just one more easy level of protection for you and your sanity. Hope you, again, found this video helpful. I've shared each step by step in a post on YouTube, so check that out.